Hello everyone, welcome back to another art video. I'm painting an imaginative figure that's inspired by all the mythology books that I'm reading these days. While I'm painting, I'll walk you through all the art supplies that I'm using. So I start by sketching the face on the canvas, and the paper that I'm using is Kenson canvas paper. It's 12 by 16 inches and 136 pounds. So once the sketch is done, I give the paper canvas a basic acrylic color wash. A color wash is a thin layer of paint that you put on the paper to cover its white. Once the first layer is completely dry, I add more layers on it. And this is actually called the layering technique. Acrylics dry fast and permanent, so you can build layers on top of each other without reactivating the previous layers. So once the layers are done, I paste some paper cuttings onto the canvas using Ranger Multimedium. It's an artist quality medium, so you can use it as a sealer, a paint extender, a glue. It has multiple uses. This medium comes in two different types, as matte and gloss. So one of the advantages of using the Ranger Multimedium for me personally is that it leaves the surface of the canvas paper really smooth. I just need very little pastel, and with a brand like the Sennelier, very little goes a long way. Also, when it comes to brands like the Sennelier, I don't really consider the type of paper that I'm using, because Sennelier actually works well on literally any surface, whether it's wood, glass, metal or paper. So lastly, I bought a bunch of oil pastel brands online. I'm waiting for them to be delivered to me so that I can do a review and a comparison of each brand. If you're interested, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.